Settlemate App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. The surprising truth about financial disputes is that most people avoid them because they feel overwhelming. Settlemate aims to simplify the process in 2025 by helping users negotiate and settle debts. Settlemate is a financial assistance app that helps users manage and negotiate outstanding debts. It provides guidance, organization tools, and communication support during settlement discussions. One major pro is empowerment. Settlemate helps users understand options and avoid panic-driven decisions. Many users find clarity just by seeing their debts organized in one place. However, you won't believe what happens next if you expect guaranteed results. Settlements depend on creditors, and outcomes vary. Some features may also require paid plans. In conclusion, Settlemate is best for users who want structure and support while dealing with debt. It doesn't eliminate responsibility, but it makes the process far less intimidating in 2025.